What if I told you that the same credit card banks use to make billions could actually make you money instead? Most people think credit cards are dangerous, and honestly, for many people, they are. But the truth is, the wealthy use credit cards very differently than the average person. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 credit card tricks banks secretly hope you never learn, because once you understand them, the entire system starts working in your favor. Trick number 1, the 30% rule. The first trick is understanding credit utilization. Banks don't just look at whether you pay your bill, they also look at how much of your credit limit you use. If your credit card limit is $10,000 and you spend $5,000, that means you're using 50% of your credit. But here's the trick. Experts recommend keeping your usage below 30%. Even better, under 10%. This alone can dramatically increase your credit score over time. Trick number 2, pay before the statement date. Most people think paying the bill before the due date is enough, but here's what banks don't explain. Your credit utilization is reported when your statement closes, not when the payment is due. So if your statement closes on the 20th and you pay on the 25th, your high balance was already reported. The trick is simple. Pay your balance before the statement date. This makes it look like you're barely using your card at all. Trick number 3, multiple cards, a higher score. Most people think having many credit cards hurts their credit, but the opposite is often true. More cards means higher total credit limit, which lowers your utilization. For example, if you spend $1,000 per month, with one card with a $2,000 limit, your usage is 50%. But with 3 cards totaling $10,000, your usage drops to 10%. Same spending, better score. Trick number 4, always pay in full. This is one of the biggest myths about credit cards. Banks want you to believe carrying a balance helps your score. It doesn't. In reality, carrying a balance just means you're paying massive interest. The smartest strategy is simple. Use your card like a debit card and pay the full balance every month. That way you build credit without paying interest. Trick number 5, use rewards like free money. Credit cards often offer cashback, travel points, or rewards, but most people ignore them. If you're going to spend money anyway on groceries, gas, or bills, using a cashback card can give you 1% to 5% back on purchases. Over time, that could mean hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year. Trick number 6, never close your oldest card. Your credit history length matters a lot for your credit score. If you close your oldest card, your average credit age drops. Even if you don't use it often, keeping your oldest card open can help maintain a strong credit profile. Trick number 7, use credit to build wealth. The biggest secret? Credit cards are not just spending tools, they're credit-building tools. A strong credit score can help you get better loan rates, cheaper mortgages, and better financial opportunities. Used wisely, credit can actually save you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Credit cards aren't the enemy, but the system is designed so that most people use them the wrong way. If you understand these tricks and stay disciplined, you can turn credit cards into a powerful financial tool instead of a financial trap. And if you want to learn more about building credit, investing, and making smarter financial decisions, make sure to subscribe because we talk about money strategies every week.